Thank you for calling technical support here. Speaking to John, how may I assist you?
Hello, John. I'm facing an issue with my computer.
And what's the issue?
It's a very unusual pop-up in my patriarchy browser.
Patriarchy browser? What's that?
It's a browser run by the evil patriarchy.
Which kind of? I beg your pardon?
It's a browser run by the evil patriarchy, but carry on. I got a strange pop-up is my point.
Okay, what's the pop-up, sir? Go ahead, let me know.
It's just saying critical alert from Microsoft. It's like a voice talking to me.
And what does it say?
It keeps flashing on my screen. I can't really make it out.
Well, sir, if the computer is infected, you will not be able to make it out.
Whoa. Did you just call me sir? I've got a feeling you just assumed my gender. Did you just assume my gender?
I beg your pardon. I'm really sorry if I offended you, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm really sorry. I apologize to you from the bottom of my heart, but I'm just here to fix the problem. If I said anything that might have hurt you, I'm really sorry for that.
Sorry, I got a bit triggered there. Sorry, I'm sorry. I got very triggered. I thought you were spouting some right-wing propaganda. But I was wondering if you could help me fix the pop-up message.
Yes, sir. Surely I will. Let me know, how old is this computer?
It's about 5 years old.
And have you ever had it serviced?
I had it serviced, but the guy was absolute cisgender scum, so I just took the computer back and called him a bigot and walked out the shop because he was a scumbag.
No problem, sir. I'll surely help you out with it.
Right.
It's a laptop or a desktop?
A desktop.
So you have to follow some steps on it.
Right.
I beg your pardon?
I have to follow some steps, okay.
So please go ahead and first of all look on your keyboard.
Right, okay.
At the extreme left and the bottommost row, you will see a control key. CTRL. Control.
Right, okay. I see that, yeah, a CTRL key, yeah.
Now,
is that CTR key defined by the evil patriarchy?
I beg your pardon?
Is that CTRL key defined, like, was that key made by the evil patriarchy? Because I don't want to have to relate to that if it is.
No, sir, it's not. Now, just right next to that control key, which key do you see?
I see a 4 flags key.
So press that 4 flags key and hold it down.
Right, okay.
Now, while holding it down with your other finger at the same time, just press letter R. R as in Romeo.
Okay, yeah, right. R as in right-wing propaganda, okay.
Now on your computer screen, do you see anything?
I do. It says type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource and Windows will open it for you.
Now remove your fingers off the keys.
Right, okay.
And just type inside that box H, then one more H, then give a single space.
Right, okay.
And then one more H.
Okay.
Now just below that, sir, you will find OK, cancel, browse. Click on OK.
Okay, right. I've clicked on OK. And now a box that says HTML help comes up. Hang on, this page can't be displayed. Hang on, it says the page can't be displayed and I want the page to be displayed. Therefore that's a difference in opinion, that's a difference in sort of what people want to happen. So I'm going to call this computer a bigot now. It thinks something that I don't. So I think the page can be displayed, but it's saying the page can't be displayed.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Look on the top left corner. Do you see a yellow question mark?
Yes.
Click on that once.
I've clicked on that once, okay.
Now you will see a drop-down window. Click on the second last option, jump to URL.
Right, okay.
Now you will see a box in front of you. Just type inside that box www.
Is this in the box that identifies as jump to URL?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. www.
Then C as in Charlie.
Yep.
B as in boy. Then T as in Thomas. Then T as in Thomas again. Then R as in Romeo.
Okay.
.com.
.com.
Yes. Now click on OK, sir.
Right. Oh, okay. It's saying establish support connection. Hang on, there's no drop down for the 7. Hang on. It says your name and support key, but there's not a there's not 2 extra boxes, one for the 71 genders and one for the identity. So where are those boxes before I enter my name and my support key?
There's no boxes, sir. You just have to type your name in the first box.
Right.
And I'll give you a support key which you have to type in the second box.
Okay. Right, I'm ready.
And just tell me, it's 475
475
264
264
799.
799. Okay, now I'll just press continue.
Yes.
Right, okay, it says run, go to assist opener.
Run. Click on run. And you have to click on run once again. Now what do you see, sir?
I can see Frontline has invited you to join a session.
Yes. Click on yes.
Okay, hang on.
So Mr. Mark, now...
He got rid of my desktop for some reason. There we go. Oh, hang on. This is hate speech. The computer's not letting me set a background. This is oppression.
No, sir, that cannot be.
Oh, there we go.
Go ahead.
There we go.
Try to... So, you were talking about some patriarchy. I mean, what is that? May I know that? I want to know about it.
You're part of the evil patriarchy as a man. As a cisgender scum. I'm a male feminist and I'm proud of it.
Oh, and may I know one thing, sir? How old is this computer?
It's about 4 or 5 years old.
And apart from you, is there anyone else who is the user of the computer?
The previous owner was a cisgender scum bigot, so I just stole the computer off him. So it's only me now. In my little safe space. I'll use this computer on my own in my little safe space.
And what exactly do you use it for?
Communication, like email, to watch my my sort of feminist videos, feminist forums, social justice warrior, chat rooms, things like that.
Now what is happening in your computer is, sir, whenever you are trying to go ahead and connect your device on the internet, at the very same point of time, your computer is going ahead and downloading Trojan horse inside it. I mean, are you aware of that term?
Well, actually, I'm trans species, so I identify as a horse, so that's going to be very relating to me, that is.
Let me just show you what's a Trojan horse. You heard about it?
Do you not accept me for who I am, a trans species
I'm not
horse?
talking about. Let me just first of all show you what is a Trojan horse. Now I'll just request you to please go ahead and read this, sir, so that you can understand what is a Trojan horse. Shall I go ahead and fix the computer?
But what Trojan horse is on there? Like what? I don't get it. I don't really know.
What do you don't know?
I don't really know what about Trojan horses. Can you give me more information?
Read this, sir. You can read it in front of you, every single thing.
I can't read. The only thing I only choose to read what my own opinion supports, because I'm a social justice warrior, and I see this site as oppressing and bigoted.
I beg your pardon?
This site is oppressing of me, of a trans species horse, and is part of the patriarchy. So I don't choose to read that. I only choose to read information that supports my feminist opinion.
Well, sir, this is something which goes ahead and lets your device to be unauthorizedly accessed. Unauthorizedly accessed means that... Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
And unauthorizedly means that your computer's IP address gets connected to different harmful infections on the internet that goes ahead and damages the mainframe server of your computer.
Right, okay.
You get that now?
Right, I see.
So that is what has to be removed, and the security system has to be configured in your device.
So are these Trojan horses basically just evil people, part of the evil patriarchy, that sort of also identify as Trojan horses? Are they also trans species?
Well, if you want to tell it in your way, yes, that may be.
Okay, right, I see. Right, now I get it. I get it now, okay.
So that is what has to be fixed, and apart from you, no one else is the user of the computer, correct?
Correct.
So please grab a pen and a paper handy for yourself.
Okay, I've got a pen and paper.
Now, sir, it will take approximately 75 to 90 minutes to completely fix up your device.
Okay.
In that period of time, please do not touch it, do not use it. And once the work will be completed, the technicians will give you a call back that the computer is fixed, and now you can go ahead and use it. You get that?
I get that, okay, yeah. Maybe this service isn't as bigoted and oppressive as I thought it was going to be.
I beg your pardon?
Maybe this service isn't as bigoted and oppressive as I thought it was going to.
The service?
Never mind, continue, sir.
Now, to go ahead and fix the computer, sir, we have to go ahead and we have to install licensed network securities onto your device, so that not just today, in future as well, nothing can go ahead and get into your device and infect any of the information which you have onto your device right now. You get that?
Okay.
Now, can you let me know one thing, that this computer, you use it to download anything on it? Anything?
I do, yeah. I like to download some stuff.
And what would that be, sir?
Like PDF files of how to be the perfect feminist.
Okay. Now, first of all, sir, for your future reference, I'll be going ahead and I'll be generating a customer ID which I will provide you, which you have to keep safe with you, so that if in future anything happens with your device again, you just have to give us a call. You just have to give the customer ID, and whatever the problem will be, the technicians will take care of it in future as well. You get that?
Right, I see.
Now, first of all, sir, I'll be going ahead and I'll be asking you that for how long the firewall security should be configured on your device. Will it be for the complete long 3 years or for complete long 4 years?
So as well as me having my little safe space, the computer also has one. Okay, that's perfect. So there'll be no hate speech entering the computer. I'd rather go for 4 years of anti-hate speech.
Because depending upon the licensing, there will be a one-time license activation charges. That's the reason I asked you.
I see, right, okay, I'd rather go for 4 years of anti-hate speech.
Well, for complete long 3 years, sir, it will be $399.99.
Right.
And for complete long 4 years, it will be $499.99.
I see.
Now may I know for how long it should be configured?
Right, I'd rather go for the 4 years still.
And which card will you be using? Will it be a Visa or a Master?
Well, both of those companies are run by the evil patriarchy, so I'd rather go for the for a less mainstream card.
No, sir, they are not run by the evil patriarchy. That's the card which you have to use. Either it will be a Visa or a Master.
Right, okay, I'll go for my Visa card, the oppressive Visa card, the cisgender scum card.
So I'll request you to type in the card numbers and the expiration date. Can you just go ahead and type it over here?
The card number, the expiration date, what I identify as on Sundays. Okay, right. I'll type that in for you.
And what's the 3-digit CVV which is at the back of your card?
507.
And there are certain informations which needs to be required to go ahead and generate your customer ID. And I'll request you to please go ahead and type in those informations as well. And just type it, sir, do not speak it. Can you let me know it's a bigger computer or a smaller computer?
It's quite a big tower desktop.
A tower desktop. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you go ahead and have you ever taken this laptop out of your house?
I don't believe I have, actually.
Please do not touch the computer.
I'm actually
I'll
not
request
touching
you
the computer.
to just leave the computer.
I apologise with all my heart.
I beg your pardon?
I'm actually not touching the computer.
Well, sir, it will take approximately 75 to 90 minutes. But first of all, let me send you every single detail on your email account. And any one of your friends, do they use this computer?
Occasionally.
And are they also the same patriarchy friends which you have?
My friends aren't part of the patriarchy. They're part of the correct, undebatable feminist organisation.
So why did you choose to be a part of this organisation?
Because I need to make a stance against the evil patriarchy of the world.
And what's that?
The world run by cisgender scum men.
And who are those cisgender scum men?
Each and everyone who isn't a feminist.
So you are a feminist, correct?
Yes, a male feminist.
And why do you believe that ones who are not a feminist, they are not they are just some cisgender scumbag? Why do you think like that?
Because that is the correct view, and any other view is bigoted and awful and bad or whatever. I can't even keep this up. I can't even keep this act up. You're a stupid scumbag scammer, and I'm not joking now. You tried to rip me off by going on a Wikipedia article about a Trojan horse, which I don't have on this freshly installed virtual machine, you scumbag.
Now, sir, do you think that I'm really so stupid that I didn't came to know that you are a prank caller?
Yeah, well, I've just wasted half an hour of your time, so I've done well, I think. Here's my YouTube channel where you'll be uploaded later today. How do you feel about that, Madachud Scammer?
Sure. I'll be waiting for it.
Oh, please do.
Thank you.
Because there'll be quite a lot of people calling your number later, Bosadike.